Okay, let's break a few rocks with the Braun Simplex ore crusher. There's the fender wells that keep your arms out of it. If you're running it crushing rock, you don't want to get any limbs caught in there. So here's our protective gear that goes over those wheels and belts. Braun Simplex ore crusher. Medium B, Braun Corporation. Assayer's size jaw crusher, removable gear or pin to get in there and access the jaw. Right now it's set up to crush the rocks kind of bigger. Sure, you can turn these adjustments in the back, crush it much finer. But for today's purposes, that's it. Thanks for looking.